Barb did survive, and ever since has made the most of the limbs she has. What you and I do with our arms, Barb does with her legs. And her feet have become her surrogate hands. Even those more exacting tasks like applying lipstick and mascara are no problem when you can control your toes like Barb does.
Everything and anything that you do, I do, just a little bit different.
Barbara soon found that her feet could run faster than others could. And with her natural sporting ability, she took up aerobics, then weights. With her competitive nature, it wasn't long before Barb was strutting her stuff at fitness competitions all over the United States. She compensates for having no arms by toning muscles that maintain her phenomenal balance.
I think flexibility is a big issue, and so I do stretch on a daily basis, and also once a week I go to a stretching specialist and let him stretch me out, and I think that really helps keep me flexible and keeps me balanced.
Barb also balances a hectic life schedule. She's a single stay-at-home mom. And nowadays, there's a new man in Barb's life. But she takes it all in her stride. When it comes to preparing breakfast, Barb can even crack eggs with her feet and pop them into the fry pan. Sometimes the results are a little less than perfect.
Should have just made scrambled eggs. Yeah.
But who's never broken a yolk anyway?
Pretty much anything you can do with your hands, I can do with my feet.
Pretty.
Life hasn't always been a walk in the park for Barbara Guerra. She was taunted at school, and even today is subject to stares and whispers.
She gets a lot of looks. A lot of times I feel like carrying pictures with me and saying, "Here, take it. You know, look at this," instead of watching us eat or, you know, watching us shop and watching her, you know, get clothes off the shelf.
But for the most part, Barb accepts her lot in life. She and Dave are about to be married. Lynn's or not, she's happy. And so is he.
She'll reach her foot up and I'll hold her foot, and it's just as good as a hand.